Kishana.
Yeah.
Give Kishana, there's 2 of them. 2. Give one for si Agoy. Here, get one. Hers is CJ. Ayan. Oh, tayo na. Wait for Mama Goy kay ang mga daan. Ang daanan. Okay, let's go. Ayan, ang mga bulilit. Bante ha, matusok ka sa mga plants. Wait for Mama Goy. Ito talaga si Agoy mga kaibigan. Nauna na. Wait for me. Ali, sulod. Ayun na si CJ. Sige, ayan na si Agoy. Dala kami ng bulaklak. Dito kami sa simbahan. Simbahan mga kaibigan. Daw, pasok doon. Hali. Yeah. Sulod. Hello. Hi. Okay. Goy. Okay, let's get some base. Get some base. Daming base dito. Goy, wait for me. Ali. Some tubig. Krishana, that's all. That's it. We put the, here. We'll put the, Okay. It's okay. Stay here. Ayan, dito kami sa, mga kaibigan, kapilya. Ayan, si Mama Mary. Papa Jesus and Baby Jesus. Okay, dito. Ilagay natin yan dito. Wait lang. The water is next. Nandito ang mga bulilit, mga kaibigan. Don't touch anything, ha? Goy, you're not touching anything. Okay, you stay here. I will ask you to put there. Ako ang Kasi masyadong mahaba lang. Okay, lagay mo. Tawag dito?
Yeah. Now, mommy.
Too long. CJ, put in here like that.
I want pink.
You want pink?
Maybe pink. No, CJ, you get white.
Good. I will.
Mom,
Dito.
Papa.
Okay.
I want to get pink. Let me get this color.
Good. I want you to stand right there. Okay, lagay mo na. Sige. Ang dami ng flowers si Mama Mary. Ang dami na silang flowers. John, you're supposed to put in here. Dagdagan pa natin ng flowers. Okay. Shana, you don't touch anything. Okay, Ganda ng flowers na.
No, Mom.
You're gonna put all of them. Lagay mo dun. I want you to stand right there. Kasi... CJ.
I didn't put the flower in fire.
Put in here.
Why is there a thing in there?
That's where we put here. Lagay mo sa black base.
Is that gonna live?
Wait, CJ, wait. I will put the water after.
What's in there?
Ang ganda ng flowers namin.
Mama. What's that
Iaalay
white
namin
thing?
sa
What's that
kay
white thing?
Mama Mary. That's for the plant. Para maano yan. Yeah, alay namin sa Mama Mary and Papa Joseph and Baby Jesus. Dito sa no running. Dito sa simbahan. Gawa kami ng bouquet of, anong pangalan nito? Bouquet of, I'm not sure kung anong klase. Bubuka pa yan. Goy, you don't supposed to, Goy? Look, dali natin tong ating basura. Okay. Ayan mga kaibigan, ang ganda nating flowers. CJ. CJ. Stop.
Don't do that. Get away.
CJ, come here.
Bouncy ball. Bouncy ball. Mom.
Dala kami ng tubig. Good. Very good. Kishana, you're not supposed to touch that.
Come, CJ. Oh, wow. Where are you saying?
Goy, look. Bubuka pa yan siya mga kaibigan. So,
Wait, Mommy.
we look for a space. Look, CJ. You gotta pray. Ayan. Dito natin ilalagay.
Mommy.
You don't touch anything. Ito, wala na to. Makalitan natin ng bago.
That looks good.
It looks pretty, right?
Mom, it's that. That looks so good.
Okay, ito tapos na to. Wala
Yeah.
na.
Whoa.
Wait.
Yeah. Boom.
Okay.
Boing. Boing. Thank you.
Nilagay na natin itong gamit natin dito. Dalhin natin. Nagdala kasi kami ng tubig kasi hindi namin alam kung may tubig. Give me this ball. Sama na imong bola. CJ, don't jump. So, ayan siya mga kaibigan. May mga ganito. Ayan. Ito, ang ganda. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng tubig. We'll add more water.
Mama, look what CJ did.
CJ, you don't put that here. Asan pa ba dito ang kailangan ng tubig? Ito. Walang tubig. Kulang. CJ? Saan pa ba diligan natin to? Wala, ang kulit ng mga chikiting. Dagdagan natin ng tubig. Wala. Come on. Sit down. Let's pray. Come on, let's pray. Okay. Let's pray. Let's go. Let's go. Let's pray muna. Okay. So, ayan mga kaibigan, mayroon po dito. Ang ganda na siya. Dito natin nilagay yung flowers natin. Bubuka po yan siya. Lalaki po yan. CJ, put that away. Okay, let's sit down. Shh. Come on. We're gonna pray. Mahangin. Okay, we're gonna pray here. CJ, come here, buddy.
Mommy, here go those candles. Mama, see, here go those candles. CJ. No. It was CJ. Beep, 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 beep. Mommy, TV's outside got a rock. Can you grab one?
Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, ayan siya. Okay, let's go. Tapos na yung aming mission ngayon. Oh, ayan. Watch the car. Wait lang, nak. Unahin ko muna si Don Julio kay ito ang sipat. Ayaw na, kuha na ang bulaklak. Ginuok ko. Ayaw kay madaot na. Balong nagkahingalo na na. Sipaon pag yun. Go sit down. Go sit down. Ayan na. Ayan na mga bulilit, oh. Oh. Sige, huy, ginulak ka. Grabe man mamatid ng kabayo, ah. Uy. Hala, ayaw na idautan, nabuing. Sige na. Sit down. Ano si CJ, ah. Ayaw doon. Don't use your feet. May seatbelt naman ko na. Sige na, seatbelt kay may pupuntahan pa tayo.
Where are we going?
Surprise!
Where? Home? Is it home,
Baby.
Mommy? Is it
We
home?
have to stop in the surprise.
Okay.
Because you're behave. Surprise.
Is that my favorite?
Well, see.
It's the gym!
Put seatbelt,
It's
please.
the gym! It's the gym!
Put the
It's the play gym!
put
I know it!
seatbelt. Sige na.
No!
No, kakaran.
We can't wait! Yeah!
Walang misa ngayon. Bukas pa. Umaga kasi ang misa dito. Bukas pa meron sa umaga.
Let's go!
Nagdala kami ng flowers ni Mama Mary dahil Valentine's Day at Papa Jesus.
Let's go! Go!
Hoy! CJ, no! Kulit good ni Don Julio. Ayaw ba? No!
We're sweating.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, then no, put the seat down.
Cold and I'm sweating.
Okay, we'll make it cold. Cold.
Poor mommy.
Okay.
It's outside today. It's hot.
Hmm?
It's supposed to be cold.
Ano?
It's supposed to be cold a teeny bit and a teeny bit hot. But can you put more?
Okay. Hello sa inyong lahat. Happy Valentine's Day. Ayan, tapos na. Nagdala na kami ng flowers. Kumusta sa inyong lahat? Magandang umaga po, magandang gabi. Kumusta sa inyo dyan? Ayan ang dalawa. Dito yung simbahan, mga kaibigan. Oh, maganda talaga yan i-expose yung mga chikiting. Dito din si Gogo nag-aral sa kanyang religious classes.
Can we go to the surprise?
Dito din siya pumupunta. Pero wala siyang klase ngayon. Nung nakarang araw, doon siya nagano.
Let's go to the surprise.
So, ayun po.
Can we go to the surprise?
Nag-chat kami niyan, may papadala. Scam yan, Ma'am Luz. Pag may mga ganyan, manghingi ng pera, scam yan.
Excuse me, can we go to
Kasi tinatawag po natin.
Excuse me.
Yes, sweetie.
Can we go to the surprise now?
Tinatawag ko po kung marinig niyo yung pangalan niyo, tinatawag po natin ang makaka-receive ng ating balikbayan box.
Is it home, Mommy? Are we
Goy, wait lang, Goy.
Are we going home or no? Are we going home, Mama?
Ayan, tapos na kami dito. So, alis na kami.
Are we going home?
Goy, wag ka makulit, Goy. Kasi pag makulit ka, Goy, wala.
Are we going,
Walang mangyayari.
are we going home or no? No?
No, hindi pa tayo uwi. Mamaya pa.
Oh.
May pupuntahan pa tayo.
Let's
Ang daming errands ni Mama. O, sige, ingat po kayo. Laki na yung mga chikiting natin. Oh, mga sobra na marunong na sila. Tumutulong na sa akin. At least ito paano, tumutulong na ba?
my truck!
May malaking truck.
Oh, my truck!
Yeah, malaking truck. Ingat po kayong lahat. Magandang araw at Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's.
Truck!
Asan yung truck?
Truck.
Dumadaan na yung truck. Si Baygoy.
Bye.
Ma'am Lu, sabi ko na nga, dami scammer. Pag may manghingi ng pira, ma'am, scam yan, ma'am. Kapag kayo po ay nanalo ng anong mga pag-giveaways, tinatawagan yung pangalan at kayo po mismo ang mag-claim. Ganun lang po kasimple ang instruction.
Mine!
Sige, bye-bye!